What's that?
Oh, that scares him.
Where's the egg?
Put the egg in the basket. Put the egg in the basket. Yeah, put it in the basket.
Where's the egg? Put it in. Put it in. Good job. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Well, I think he can do this.
Put it in. Put it in the basket. Yay, good job.
Yay.